everyone, today we're going to be unboxing a little fun nail art box from a company called ColorfulJuly, and check out how cute this wrapping is. It's definitely getting me in the mood for spring with these flowers. So this is the box, and the box that was sent to me is called the Cute box. So let's open it up here, and you can see it's really nicely packaged and it's secure in its own little box, and I really like that thank you sticker, and that bubble wrap is not your standard bubble wrap. There's hearts on it. So this box is cram-packed full of tons of nail goodies, and we're just going to dive into this box together and see what kind of goodies are in here. So the first thing in here, it is a ColorfulJuly pudding gel polish in the color number 32, and I really like the pudding gels and how these little pots are. I just think they're super fun and cute, and the color here, it's a very nice lilac lavender, which is perfect for spring. And then the next item in the box are these really cute butterfly nail art stickers. Aren't they fun? There's that purple, green, and white. And then the next thing in here, I thought this was really nice that they added something that wasn't nail related, and this is a really fun Hello Kitty post-it set. And then the next set of nail stickers are the Hello Kitty gang right here. Those are some characters from Hello Kitty. And then these super cute bunnies, and there's even little paw prints on there and hearts. And then we have some pop art stickers. There's a fun rainbow, a banana, I love that, the eye, the lips, a donut, a lightning bolt, super cute and fun. Definitely am going to be using those, so stay tuned. And then the fun stuff here. Look at this. How adorable is Minnie Mouse right here? Aren't they cute? So these are Minnie Mouse nail art stickers, and I really like how each sticker is in its own little wrapping and it's secured. And then we have the Toy Story aliens here, which is really cool, from Pizza Planet if you've seen that movie. And then check out these really cute, they're kind of reminding me of gummy bears. These are nail charms, and they're super cute. So here they are. They are these light pink, and then they have a little bit of a darker pink in the middle, and they kind of have like a pearl opal kind of effect to them. It is really cute, and I really like these bears. And then we have some more nail charms here. We have another Hello Kitty character. We have some flowers. We have a little bunny. And then check these out. They are super cute, and I really like how the charms are in their own packaging. So here is some of the charms. We have a frog and a panda bear. We have a Mickey donut, everybody. How adorable is that? And then we have another little fun character from Hello Kitty, which is adorable. So here are some of those charms, and I'm just really like that case. And then we have some other charms here, which are going to be hearts, and these are kind of like a stone material, but they're very light and they're so pretty. And look at when that light hits those hearts, it kind of has like an iridescent opalness to it. And then we have some fun transfer foils that are in this box, and it is gonna be awesome. Are you guys ready to see these transfer foils? Because they blew my mind. And this is definitely the perfect name for this box. It is called the Cute box. So right here we have the Aristocat Disney transfer foils with the classic white cat on there. And then we have Donald Duck, because we all know he is number one, and we also have Daisy on here and some fruits and flowers on these transfer foils. They're so cute, and I love Donald so much. And then we also have this fun one right here, which is a mixture of mermaids, which is kind of giving me like the classic Peter Pan kind of vibe mermaid. And then we have these fun gnomes, which is perfect for spring. And then the next transfer foil here, it's Mickey's, and these are like the Mickey pop art emojis. So you have the smiley faces, you have Mickey, rainbow, diamond. There's just so much going on that one, and it's really fun. So options are going to be endless. And then we have classic Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Eeyore, Piglet, and some musical notes and flowers. And then the next transfer foil here, this is Duffy the Bear. Now, if you ever go to Disney World at night, they play Duffy the Bear cartoons in your room to kind of like help you relax. So that's the only reason why I knew what this bear was. And then the next one here, we have Minnie Mouse, Pluto, and Mickey. It is adorable. And if you can't tell, I love Disney, and I am so excited about this box because it came at the perfect time. because in April we are doing something really fun on my channel, and you're gonna see the majority of these products being used. So this one here is all the Disney princesses. You have Jasmine, Belle, Ariel, Snow White, and Beauty and the Beast. I just love it so much. And then the next one here is really fun, and it is Stitch. So it's very tropical, and you have many different versions of Stitch, from Elvis to him in his classical Stitch attire. And then the last one here, this kit would not be complete without this adorable Hello Kitty gang. I love this one. There's Hello Kitty on here, and she's wearing tons of different outfits. She has some pals with her. And then we have this really nice silicone tool, which is really going to help rub in those transfer foils on the nail and make sure that those stickers are laying super flat to your nail. So I really like that that was included. And then the last thing that we have in here is another pudding gel polish here, and it's more of like a rustic red. So this is everything that I received in the cute box from ColorfulJuly. I think this box is super cute and adorable, and the name definitely fits this box. There are other different boxes that ColorfulJuly has to offer. I will link all their information in that description box below. Also, if you do order this box, all colors and styles are picked randomly, so most likely you will receive some unique and fun items that you may have not seen in this unboxing. So just keep that in mind and stay tuned. We will be using some of these items in upcoming manis on my channel for the month of April. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next upload.